How to remove filters or effect on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Instagram on your device. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now select Reels. Then select the video. Now tap on the filters icon to apply filters. Now select the filter or effect you want to apply. Now simply go back. Now to remove the filters or effect, simply tap on the filters. Now you can simply remove the filter by tapping on the filter again, or you can simply scroll up and tap on no effect. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.